Just about 6:45, and fire departments across central Indiana are encouraging folks to check the status of their fire prevention tools this morning. And it comes after a recent string of home fires in the Indy Metro. Our Nico Panisi this morning spoke with the Bargersville Fire Department, where first responders say smoke detectors can save lives.
It's Fire Prevention Week, and this year's campaign is smoke alarms. Make them work for you. These devices can potentially save your life. The week focuses on educating the community about the life-saving importance of installing and maintaining working smoke alarms in every home. Smoke alarms are crucial in reducing fire-related injuries and fatalities. According to the Indianapolis Fire Department, about 54%, 3 out of every 5 homes, fire fatalities are caused by folks not having smoke alarms in their homes. Kayla Buchanan with the Bargersville Community Fire Department encourages everyone to make sure that they're properly installed, maintained, and functional.
It is so important that when we show up that we want to hear your smoke alarms going off. It's like music to our ears. We know that you had a working smoke detector. You were prepared. You were able to get out because they probably alerted you in time. But more often than not, we show up and there's no beeping. There's no smoke detectors going off because either they're not functioning or they were never installed.
It's been a dangerous week in the Indy Metro in terms of house fires. Several fires broke out across Indianapolis Sunday night into Monday morning. A family of 5 was displaced and a firefighter was injured. IFD ruled 2 of the fires an act of arson. And if you live in Indianapolis, you can fill out a form on the IFD website to request a free smoke alarm. We have more information on how to do that on our website, WRTV.com. In Bargersville, Nico Panisi, WRTV.